Chibai. On this Teachers' Day 2021, I extend my sincere greetings to all the teachers, retired teachers, and the general public of Lunglei district. Since this year, Teachers' Day falls on Sunday, the state level committee has decided to celebrate this auspicious day on 3rd September 2021. Teachers' Day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a educationist, philosopher, statesman, and the second president of India. Teachers' Day was celebrated with effect from 1962, and this year the country will celebrate the 60th Teachers' Day. Since we all are nurtured and educated by the teachers, let us show our sincere respect to the teachers. We know that teachers have been called builder of the nation. They are preparing the students to become future assets of the nations. They are playing an extremely important role in the nation building. Hence, I request all the teachers to recommit themselves to the duties on Teachers' Day. As been done every year, this year also the teachers from government and private school are requested to contribute rupees 50 towards the National Teachers Welfare Fund, which would be utilized to assist the teachers in distress suffering from prolonged illness. This year, the students will be exempted from this making this contribution due to COVID-19 pandemic. On this Teachers' Day, I request all the teachers to strive to maintain the dignity and noble profession. The files they are dealing which are very creation of Almighty of God. They are children with pure thoughts and mind. They must upgrade them to be worthy of their calling. In fine, it is our duty to show respect and love to all the teachers. I request the public to think upon the contribution of the teachers and give them respect on Teachers' Day. Kalomi.